So how does this work here anyways? Oh no, I dropped. I can't believe I'm doing this because it's so illegal in my country. So let's reload the gun. There we go. And we're good. Hey there everybody. Long time no see. What's up? How are you doing? Happy New Year and welcome. Now before we get started this year with some fine card magic, I just need to get something out of the system. I want to make something crystal clear right now. Without your support, my beloved subscribers, and especially them roughly 175 returning ones, you do watch every single video of mine, don't you? And of course, without the support of them crazy odd maniacs, right about now 10 legends bringing together a break of playing cards monthly via Patreon. Thank you so much, by the way. Without your support, and I'm dead serious about it, I'd be quitting YouTube right about now. Because 2019, from the EU copyright bullshit straight to the copper bullshit at the end of the year, looking at my analytics after everything we pulled off together on this platform last year, it makes absolutely no sense. It's lock up bananas. You could very well just play a decent round of Russian roulette every week, daily even, getting the same results. Let's give this a try. Never did this before. Oh, this is more difficult than I thought it was. Come on, you can do it, man. You're crazy enough. OTHMARIUS Magic. Like and subscribe. This legend hits me with this comment. After finding your channel last week and watching nothing but your videos, still, whenever I come back to YouTube, your videos are not being suggested. YouTube AI is awful for the smaller channels. Excited about catching some live streams in the year 2020. Keep up the great work. So we got ourselves a little situation, and I want to break this down Casey Neistat style for you guys. So all I need is my sunglasses, a Sharpie, and some paper. So let me draw here a circle first, and this circle represents the viewers. And the viewers, they say dope. That's right, that's what we got here on the one paper. The viewers, and they say dope. We have another circle, and this one represents a psychotic algorithm. I call it Susan, the multi-algorithmical artificial intelligence. And Susan is saying nope. Nope, looks like this. Now if we take the viewer's perspective and Susan's perspective and we bring it together, then this happens here. This doesn't work like this, Jesus Christ. When Casey does it, it looks so easy. Let me do this one more time here. Let me bring this together. So we bring here together the viewers and Susan, crazy psychotic algorithm, and then we got this intersection here, the overlap of dope and nope, and this gives us dnope, dnope. And it's true, it's dnope. 2019, I uploaded more content to the platform than I ever did annually. I doubled my efforts. 2019, you guys spent more time watching and engaging with my content than you ever did, and still my suggestions went to the shitters. My channel looks like a little seedling that just dropped dead. With Susan, it feels like being in an abusive relationship. Whenever opportune, she sure loves to show off with her content creators. Any chance given, she will let you down, and she gets everybody paranoid. The LGBTQs, the far right, the far left, the gamers, everybody feels neglected, motherfuckers. Even PewDiePie is taking a break. Quite frankly speaking, I haven't figured out yet how to deal with the situation, how to riddle this paradox, how to at the same time satisfy you, my viewers, as well as Susan. Definitely we are going to meet over expert card technique in some fine live sessions. However, the schedule will be much wider and the sessions much shorter. We use the material in this book to dive deeper into what we've already learned in the Royal Road to Card Magic last year. And by doing so, already reflecting on the build of the book, which by the way has been published before the Royal Road to Card Magic by the same authors, Jean Rougat and Frederic Brouet. This will shift our focus to close-up table magic with emphasis on table, and I truly hope I'll manage to serve you some fine correlating table work tutorials this year. Shuffling techniques, cutting techniques, flourishes, and so on. And if you have any questions related to the art form and your studies, hit me up in the comments in any of my videos. I will give my best to get back to you as soon as possible. You know the drill. Get a deck of cards out and start practicing. Practice well, give it some time, and it will come to you. Once again, thank you all so much for your support. You are rocking awesome. In the meantime, rest assured, more magical stuff is going to be uploaded very soon. This ain't a real gun. This is a toy. Ain't good for shooting nothing. Not even fish in a barrel.